Imagine a situation where your sensitive personal information has been compromised. What would you want to know immediately, and from whom? The answer to this question forms the foundation of data breach notification requirements, ensuring transparency and empowering individuals to protect themselves. A data breach notification must include very specific and detailed information to adequately inform affected individuals and relevant regulatory authorities about the incident. This is not merely a courtesy, but a legal obligation designed to mitigate harm and maintain trust. The necessity of these detailed notifications stems from core principles of data protection law, such as accountability and the protection of data subject rights. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, mandate these disclosures. The goal is to provide individuals with enough knowledge to take preventative action, such as monitoring their credit, changing passwords, or reporting fraudulent activity. For regulators, this information is vital for assessing the severity of the breach, the adequacy of security measures, and the organization's compliance with legal obligations. Specifically, a comprehensive notification typically requires several key pieces of information. Firstly, it must clearly describe the nature of the data breach, explaining what happened and how the breach occurred. Secondly, it should identify the categories of personal data involved, for instance, names, addresses, financial details, or health information. Thirdly, organizations must estimate the approximate number of data subjects affected by the breach, and where possible, the number of personal data records concerned. Fourthly, the notification needs to include the name and contact details of the data protection officer or another relevant contact point where further information can be obtained. Beyond these essentials, the notification should also describe the likely consequences of the data breach, such as potential financial loss, identity theft, or reputational damage. Critically, it must also detail the measures already taken or proposed by the organization to address the breach, and particularly, to mitigate its possible adverse effects. This demonstrates a proactive approach to damage control and reinforces trust. Including an incident reference number can also streamline communication and follow-up. Ultimately, the thoroughness of a data breach notification serves as a critical mechanism in modern data governance. It empowers individuals with the knowledge they need to respond effectively to potential risks, while simultaneously providing regulators with the necessary data to ensure organizational accountability and uphold the integrity of data protection frameworks. This diligent disclosure helps to transform a potentially devastating event into a manageable situation, fostering resilience in our interconnected digital world.